there will be 5 exams after your training.
Okay.
Uh, not after. Along with your training, there will be 5 exams. They will connect 5. We have to clear each and every exam with 70%.
70%.
If fails, yeah, we have to score 70% at any cost. If fails, that's it. We should go home.
Okay. There is no second attempt. No, there is only a one attempt only.
This is Altaf. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, but I'm staying in Bangalore right now for job purpose.
Mhm.
And I'm trying to pass out and get a too as your friend also.
Mhm.
And I'm working as program analyst in Cognizant. That's it.
Cool. So Altaf, jumping to our main talk. So today's video is all about the onboarding of the Cognizant company. So whatever update you have since from the offer letter to the latest update, give overview to our audience. Over to you.
Actually, I was placed in campus placements only.
Okay.
I got my first offer letter in 2021, but I just got my onboarding in March, I think. That's it. While coming to hiring process,
Mhm.
there will be 3 modes in this.
Okay.
One is written, and second one is TR, and the third one is HR.
Mhm.
In written test, they ask me about some aptitude questions and some core questions. Basically, I'm from EC background. That's why they asked me about some core questions also, like VLSA designing and DLP something.
Mhm.
And they asked me about some coding questions too.
Okay.
And then some English questions.
Mhm. Okay.
That's after clearing the written test. Within 1 week, I got it. I got mail about this technical round.
Technical round.
In that, yeah, they took one week for that.
1 week. Okay.
Yeah. After clearing the written test, they took 1 week to just for this process and all.
Okay.
Technical round, they asked me about first they start with my core questions like what is semiconductor,
Okay.
what is a resistor, what is transistor and all.
Okay.
And they asked me some VLSA lab questions too.
Okay.
How to perform VLSA lab and all. After that, they asked me about some programming questions. I mentioned that I know basic. I have basic knowledge of C and Python.
Okay.
So they asked me questions about C and Python. He asked me to perform coding in Chatbox.
Chatbox. Okay.
He asked me to wrote code about swapping of two numbers.
Okay.
Multiplication of two matrix and all.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's it. They asked me nearly roughly 20 to 25 questions in TR.
Okay.
After clearing that, I have waited for 1 month.
So after completion of your TR, it took almost 1 month to get the result.
Yeah, to just get my HR update, I waited for 1 month.
1 month. Okay. Before jumping to HR, Altaf, so what were the questions? As you mentioned, since you are from the EC background, major questions are from the EC, correct?
Yeah.
Apart from any OOPS-based questions, Altaf?
No. It's about arrays and integers. That's it.
And no situation-based question, nothing.
No, nothing. Because I'm from EC background, right? So they ask me EC questions depthly, not the C and all.
C. Okay. So major priority is given to your EC-based domain.
Yeah.
And as you mentioned, they mentioned you to write the code in the chat box, correct?
Yeah.
Chat box in the sense like you need to write on the notepad and you need to copy paste the code, or like how was it?
No. Actually, he's monitoring. He's monitoring my screen too. Whatever I type in chat box, he can see everything.
Okay. You are writing code on the platform. They will be sharing a link, and
he shares some link.
Yep.
About one app and all. So I performed it.
So they'll be sending a link, and you need to code on the platform, I guess.
Yeah.
So how long it went, Altaf? Do you remember?
You are asking about
technical
duration?
A technical round?
Nearly, roughly, it will be like 45 to 45 minutes to 1 hour.
And as you mentioned, everything was related to your core subject.
Yeah.
And any talk on the project part?
Actually, they asked my project things in HR.
HR. Okay, we'll come to that then.
When it comes to HR, first they asked me about being an AC student, why you choose CSC job.
So what was your response? What was your response for that?
Being a technical guy, I want to learn both the things, I said.
Okay. Playing safer. Okay.
Yeah.
So HR, I guess, like, what are the questions you got in the HR round? Do you remember?
First of all, they asked me about my introduction part around.
Okay.
Then this question, being an AC student, why you choose CSC job.
Okay.
Then they asked me about my family background. Then they asked me about my project, what I did in
okay.
BTech 4th year. They didn't ask me in technical way, but they asked me about how it helps in social
real world.
Yeah.
Chalo then. So there was a basic introduction and regarding some families, question regarding that, and some project. And apart from that, no extra question?
No.
And not like where
you... PAN card and Aadhaar card is also done there.
Come again?
PAN card and Aadhaar card verification also done there.
So on the spot, in the HR only they will do the verification.
Yeah, on the spot.
So there will be no separate meeting for the verification. On the HR only they will do, correct?
But after this HR round, I got a mail after 1 month, I think, about I have cleared everything Cognizant.
Okay.
And I will get offer letter in soon.
Okay.
After that, I cleared my interview in August, I think.
August, okay.
Then I got my offer letter in November.
August, November, okay.
November or December? December 21st, I think.
December 21st, you got the offer letter. So, Altaf, looking into its role and responsibility, any talk on that? What is your role? What is the expected CTC? Any talk on that?
Yeah. Actually, I'm working as a program analyst now.
Okay.
In domain mainframe.
Mainframe, okay.
It consists of four languages in mainframe. Like JCL, VSAM, DB2, and COBOL.
Cool.
We have to learn those 4 things.
And coming to its expected CTC and stipend, any talk on that?
It will be around like in between 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs.
Cool. And any talk on stipend and internship, Altaf?
Actually, they didn't provide any stipend in internship.
Okay.
No. After we have to clear the internship first. It's not, they didn't call internship, they call CSD, Continuous Skill Development Program.
Okay.
If you successfully clear that, then only they are going to give 25,000 for clearing that interviews on that CSD.
And if you are unable to clear that exam, then 25K is not given.
Yeah. Actually, there will be 5 exams after your training.
Okay.
Not after. Along with your training, there will be 5 exams. They will conduct 5 exams. We have to clear each and every exam with 70%.
70%.
If fails, we have to score 70% at any cost. If fails, that's it. We should go home.
Okay. There is no second attempt. No, there is only a 1 attempt only.
No, bro. For SME elevation, there are no second chance. I mean, for these exams and all, there will be no second chance. We have to clear at the first times.
So then only in one single attempt, you have to clear all these 5 examinations.
Yeah. After completing these 5 exams, then finally we will have one SME evaluation. It's like an interview.
Okay.
We have to clear that thing also. some experienced candidate will interview us on mainframe.
Mm-hmm.
We had to clear that. If we fail to clear at first attempt of SME evaluation, they will provide one more chance for SME evaluation.
Okay. SME evaluation in the sense kind of an interview, correct?
Yeah, but they will ask questions on mainframe, what we trained for this many days. The guys who fail to clear as first SME evaluation, they will get one more chance.
Okay.
We have to clear in the second chance.
Okay.
If they didn't clear in second chance, that's it. They
terminated directly.
go. That's it.
Oh my God. Okay. So as you mentioned, Altaf, as you mentioned, there will be 5 examinations, right?
Yeah.
So whatever you have undergone the training, based upon that only the exams will be given, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
And there will be a time, to prepare for the next exam, there will be a gap between these 5 exams, correct?
Exactly. There will be 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. So how will be the exam mode, Altaf? We have to go to the office or is it online mode? How was it?
It's our choice. We can perform wherever we want. If we want offline, we can go to office. If you want to perform online, then you can perform online.
So then options will be given. Nothing to report.
Yeah.
Sure. So coming to the onboard procedure, as you mentioned in the March, you were able to join the company. So how was the updates you got? So once you get the offer letter, since from the offer letter to the latest update, what are the updates you got?
Actually, it's a bit comedy, but I got my offer letter in 2021 December before clearing my final sem.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
After that, I have waited for 6 more months for my next move on.
Okay.
But I didn't get any notification from company side.
Okay.
After 6 months, they intimate me about some this training will happen in next month. Like after that, I moved to Bangalore for this thing.
Mm-hmm.
They started my training on October 6th, I think.
October 6th. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. From then onward, it took March 5th to complete the training. First of all, they trained about some mainframe JCL part.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
After JCL, they started BSM. After that, DB2, then COBOL.
Mm-hmm.
After finally, we had to perform one project.
Okay.
They grouped 6 members.
Okay.
And we had to spread work among us. Then we had to perform that project. Finally, they will verify that thing. Okay. After that, SM evaluation will be conducted. To clear that SM evaluation, it took 6 months.
6 months, sir.
We had to, bro. We had to be so much of patience.
So, as you mentioned, there will be evaluation of your project, correct?
Yeah.
So, there will be an individual evaluation or it's a group-based evaluation? How is it?
Actually, it's group-based only, but we had to perform individually in group discussions and all.
Okay.
They will provide some work individually.
Mm-hmm.
We have to split the work among us, and we have to perform.
Hello then. So, as you mentioned, there will be 5 exam, and there has to get 70% of threshold in every exam, or else you will be out of the company. Yeah. And after completion of this 5 examination, you will be having an interview.
Yeah.
And you have to perform well in that also. Yeah. So, before joining to the company, Altaf, were there any document verification, anything?
Actually, my best location was Bangalore, but they called me to Chennai because there's no projects in Bangalore right now.
Okay.
I went there. They asked me about my PAN and Aadhaar card and my BTech documents and all.
Mm-hmm.
They verified everything and they asked me about my bank details.
Okay.
And after that, they asked me to stay there for 3 days.
Okay.
After 3 days, I get my asset and all.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Then after getting my assets, I returned back to home. After that, I'm working from home only since last 1.5 months.
Mm.
I got the training period money will be there, right?
Training ceremony.
Stipend,
Yeah.
25.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it next second month.
Next second month. Cool. So last question, Altaf. So see, in our audience, there will be a common question, if there is no update from the company and to whom we should contact. So currently, majorly all the companies are delaying the onboarding procedure. So since you have waited long, more than 6 months, if I'm not wrong. So
Yeah.
to like, what was your approach? So what was your strategy? To whom you contact? Any talk on that?
Actually, I didn't contact anyone. They will contact you. If you wanna be in Cognizant, then you should be patient.
Patient.
Yeah, that's it. You don't wanna contact anyone at all. If you wanna work from next day itself, then you should choose some other company.
Some other day.
If you wanna work in Cognizant itself, then you should be with patience. They will contact you. They will come to you only. There is no need to you for searching around.
Then, so only the conclusion point is be patient, nothing to worry. They want to contact you. Correct.
It will be depend upon a business requirement.
Business requirement.
Yeah.
Then, and Altaf, I guess everything has been covered from my end. So if you want to mention any extra point, you can just suggest to our audience. Over to you.
Yeah, that's it. If anyone who got placed in 2022, I mean 2020, who are my juniors and all, they wanna join Cognizant, then just be with patience. They will contact you. Don't be afraid of what will happen in next. Where we are losing something and all. Don't be worried about that.
Yeah, cool then.
Up to getting job, difficult. After getting into the Cognizant, it's so nice.
So nice. Then. So thanks, Altaf, for mentioning the last part. And Altaf, really appreciate you for taking time and joining us and giving insight about its hiring procedure and also the onboarding updates. Thanks a lot, buddy.
First of all, I want to thank you for having me here.
Pleasure, Altaf, pleasure. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's talk. And sorry for there is a power cut, so this is the view. So sorry for that. And yeah, guys, if you have any kind of queries, you can make use of YouTube comment section. Else you can ask Altaf directly by joining our community. The link is given in the description.
I can.
Yep. And everything. A link has been given in the description. Just click and join our community. And Altaf, really appreciate man for taking time and joining us today. Thank you. And yeah, guys, this is all about Talks. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.